Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Kirtisnotebook. Today we will learn Republic Day speech. So let's get started. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Radha. I am excited to share with you the joy of Republic Day today. We gather not just as classmates but as proud citizens of our incredible country, India. On this special day, January 26th, we celebrate the moment when our nation became a republic with its own set of rules and leaders. Our tricolor flag with saffron, white and green is like a beautiful rainbow in the sky. The Ashoka Chakra in the middle represents progress and unity. As we sing our national anthem with pride, let's remember the heroes who made our country strong. I give my thanks to our respected principal ma'am and the special guest for being part of this celebration. Jai Hind. Happy Republic Day to all. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video.